Question, question, question. At the heart of the Socratic Method is the desire for truth. Imagine a conversation, a back and forth of probing questions.
You say, if you cannot think, I cannot help you.
That's the heart of the Socratic Method. It's not about lecturing, but about engaging, questioning, and peeling back layers of assumptions to reveal the truth underneath. Why is this important? Because it teaches us to think critically and analytically. In classrooms, it uncovers deeper understanding. In law, it sharpens the mind. And in life, it challenges us to examine our beliefs about the world. But it's more than just asking questions. It's about a journey together towards understanding. A dialogue where each question is a step deeper into insight. Socrates left no writings, but his legacy challenges us to question, to think deeply, and to understand more holistically. I know that I know nothing, uttered Socrates. This humble admission wasn't a claim of ignorance, but a recognition of the vastness of knowledge and our own limitations. It's a reminder, especially when we encounter fiercely defended but dubious beliefs, that true wisdom lies in continuous questioning and learning. So, the next time you're faced with a complex problem or a tense debate, channel your inner Socrates. Ask, explore, and engage. Because in the realm of ideas, the right question can be more powerful than 1,000 answers. That's the spirit of the Socratic Method, and it's waiting for you to embrace it. If you found this informative and want to dive deeper into the world of philosophy, don't forget to like, share, and turn on the notification button for more philosophy in a minute.